Hey guys, I'm Casual Dev and today I'll show you what I've changed since my last devlog. Little spoiler, it is a lot, so be excited and have fun. Before the video starts, if you enjoy this kind of videos, a like would help to grow my channel faster. And now let's dive right in. First of all, I changed my Unity layout, because compared to the old one, it's easier to manage stuff in the Unity editor for me. Now on to my first change I've made to the game. New obstacles. I've created 16 new challenging obstacles that the player needs to get past. In some new obstacles, I've also implemented a new game mechanic, portals. I had a lot of fun implementing portals and I also think they turned out really good. Here is how they work. If the player is in a certain range of the portal, the player gets sucked in and the player sprite gets scaled down to 0. If the portal the player comes out of is at the correct height of the y-axis, the player gets teleported to the coordinates of the portal and the player sprite gets scaled back to normal. Items. I've created 3 items: a shield, a slow item and a speed item. I already created a video where I show you how I implemented them. If you are interested how I did that, I will link you the video in the description and in the info card. UI. I now scale the UI to the screen size of the device. Before, if I changed the game window size, the whole UI was misaligned. I also created a few pixel art buttons and animations to make the UI look better. Then there is a shop that's finally working. Don't ask me how long it took. In the shop, the player can unlock and select skins. However, the skins that the player unlocks are always randomized. And I implemented that each unlock gets more expensive. The shop script is coded so that I can change the starting price, the price increase, a multiplier, and also that I can change the currency to coins, emeralds, or ads. I still need to change the font of the UI, but for now I think it looks good. Managers. I made my game manager a singleton because the script should only exist one time. Then I changed all game manager calls to the game manager singleton instance. I also created an UI manager that manages all texts that need to be changed at runtime. Animations and particles. To make the game look more fancy, I added a few animations and particles. I added animations to the shop when you collect coins or emeralds and when the player loads the dash. I made a particle system that when the player dashes and hits a wall, makes it look like the player is heavy and creating an impact. I also created a particle system for the gravity change, so the gravity change would feel more impactful and real, if that makes sense. At last, I added a little bit of a bloom effect to the whole game. I think it looks overall better, but I still need to figure out how I can add this effect to the player only. This was my second devlog. I hope you enjoyed it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.